Hey guys, my name is Sashir Giri and welcome to my very first tutorial in JavaScript programming. It's one of the most popular programming language in the entire world. And before I even get started, before I even start showing you guys how to code or what programs you need to get up and running, I just want to go over a little history of JavaScript. JavaScript was created by a guy named Brendan Ike. um, at Netscape. He used to work at Netscape, and at that time there was a browser war going on between Netscape Navigator and Microsoft with their Internet Explorer. So Netscape's CEO comes to our man Brendan Ike and tells him, "Hey Brendan, we're trying to compete against Bill Gates and Microsoft, so I want you to develop a client-side programming language." Brendan Ike, being a hard-working programmer, said, "All right, boss, I'll do it." But then the CEO goes, "But you gotta create it within 10 days. Now, Brendan took the challenge and created a rough version of JavaScript within 10 days. It was called LiveScript back in those days, but due to the popularity of Java, they decided to call it JavaScript in the hope of gaining instant user base. Um, and pretty obviously, Microsoft used JavaScript with their Internet Explorer used JavaScript much better than Netscape, because you hear about Internet Explorer a little bit um, than Netscape Navigator. So that's a little bit of history on JavaScript. And so I'm guessing you guys probably know a little bit of JavaScript implementation, real world, and probably that's the reason why you want to learn it. But for those people who are just watching these videos, maybe to just get an idea of what you can do with JavaScript, and for JavaScript to be their first programming language, um, JavaScript is used to add functionalities to a web. So anything that you see in a website, let's just say clicking buttons, going over to different pages, like even this drop down right here, everything is processed via JavaScript. So it's a very well oriented language with heavy influence in the entire tech field. And now you can use JavaScript to create games in Unity. You can use JavaScript to make mobile apps with React Native. You can even do backend programming with Node.js. There's a wide range of possibility if you just learn JavaScript. And in this lesson, um, I'll be going over some of the very basics of JavaScript towards some of the most advanced concepts like object-oriented programming, functional programming, prototypes, and a little bit of ES6 functionality. So I'm really looking forward towards this course, and I hope to see you guys in the next video where we'll be setting up our coding environment and writing a simple Hello World program.